We're back for day 2 of the ploughing, and Mark is still not come back down to earth from yesterday.
That was a good one. Join us today for more competitions that are out of this world.
Come down to row 9, stand 205, and take your ploughing championship up a gear. And we've all the merch your heart could desire. I think it's a new high score. Well done.
You're pushing it.
You might even learn that robots are not that bad. Like not.
That's it. Someone call the guards.
It's just a little pun.
Take her away.